Hello guys, today we are unboxing Redmi Note 5 Pro golden color back cover. Please subscribe the channel for watching free videos, press the bell icon for next video notification. Okay, let's start unboxing. This is a Redmi Note 5 Pro golden color back cover case. It's coming a good look and nice color. It's a perfect fitting for Redmi Note 5 Pro. I am so like this cover. I think this is a perfect back cover for Redmi Note 5 golden color phone. Do you want to purchase this cover? Link will be below in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.